What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This video, I'm going to share with you all some applications that you can find useful when you're not on Wi-Fi or you don't have any data connection, or T-Mobile's acting up or Sprint, somebody's acting up, and you have no way around to make calls and texts. But at least you can do a whole lot with your smartphone. Now, it's on airplane mode, as you can see at the top. It's got the airplane mode right there, the airplane mode. If it can focus, maybe focus out a little bit. There we go. All right, so airplane mode. Yeah, that's a lot of things you can do offline. You can watch your movies offline. You can listen to your music offline. You can browse the web even offline as long as you got that article, saved to your internal memory or SD card. So these are some apps. I wouldn't say top apps, but these are some apps I think a lot of people will feel they are useful to, get them by. So no further ado, I'm going to talk about this first application called SmartNews. SmartNews can be found on the iOS and Android. Now, this application has a ton of information offline. Now, the key is, of course, you got to have some type of Wi-Fi or data to install the application and to set it all up. So once you set it all up and you start getting notifications and things of that sort, you can start taking a look and browsing through articles. Take a look and start browsing through articles and, taking a read, seeing what's going on around the world while you wait on signal to come back or trying to find Wi-Fi and things and that sort. So this is another application I would recommend for anyone on a low budget smartphone plan or that don't have a data plan and just use calls and texts. When you get by Wi-Fi or use somebody's mobile hotspot, then I say use this application because it has everything with just a swipe away. Yeah, so you can even read on the Huawei situation going on. Now, the video might not play. It might. Some cases I've had the video to actually play, but I just got lucky when it happened. But if it doesn't play, you can still read and things and that sort. Or you can go ahead, exit out that little video and just read the whole article, because it's going to get in the way of your viewing what's going on with Huawei. Just a prime example and stuff like that. So yeah, I recommend SmartNews. All right, another application I like is Feedly. Now, Feedly does allow you to read articles offline. Now, some things might not appear, right off bat. As you can see, it says no network, reload. Just exit that out. And you could just, read some descriptions of what's going on based on the title, what have you, things in that sort. So if you want to know something about Google, as you can see, the bookmark is highlighted. That means you can read it later without internet Wi-Fi. So I do recommend the application called Feedly. All right, another app I would recommend is Medium. Okay, now Medium does give you offline access. I just haven't. Let me check bookmarks. It's probably not going to work, but it will allow you to read offline once you hit the bookmark. So give or take, check out Medium. All right, that's another news or application you can read for offline. Now, if you're into ebooks, definitely Amazon Kindle and Google Play Books. All right, so Amazon Kindle does work offline. So as you can see, all the pages are appearing. All the pages are appearing from the book. The key is it has to be downloaded to your device. That's point blank. It has to be installed and downloaded to your device before, so it can work offline once you not have Wi-Fi or data. All right. Playbooks will work offline. This is the latest comic book I've been reading. And yes, I get the full comic book. I get the full pages. All right. And Yep. So another app, one of my favorite apps of all time is Pocket. Okay. Pocket is a great application to read links, read articles offline. And you can always share these articles with family and friends with the share button. Okay. And you get the full page, images, everything. All right. Okay. Another great application is called Here We Go. It's a map app. It shows you your coordinates. Now, when you're offline, it just depends on if you downloaded the map. So it gives you these options. Use app offline. Search and navigate without Wi-Fi or cellular network connection. Download maps. You just turn that on. It's going to give you these options. Maybe later, download map. So that does work offline. I just didn't have mine set up properly. Wikipedia is another app that does work offline, as you can see. All right. Now, if you got bookmarks, it's going to say saved, bookmarks, zinc reading. If you have an account with them, things in that sort. The most recent I took a look at, but once again, article cannot be loaded while offline. Retry. Okay, hint. Add the article to a reading list and it will be downloaded once you're back online. So just add it to a read list and then it'll be back once you get data or Wi-Fi. All right, transit. I talked about this already in my previous video, but yeah, you can actually check out what's going on offline. No Wi-Fi, no data, no problem. All right, so keep that in mind, guys, for people on trains and buses, riding bikes and stuff like that, and you lose signal. Transit got your back. Another great map application. What else do we have? Now, this is starting to become one of my favorites now. Reddit Offline. And Reddit Offline does work once you start setting it up and turn it on and open the app. And I can watch this whole 15-second clip without internet. I'm on airplane mode. You'll see no data. Matter of fact, I got more proof. I have no service on. Not connected to a cellular network. So there you have it. All right. And you can read articles from left to right. Okay. Reddit Offline. It's a great application. Let's see what else we got. Oh, Maps here. I mean, not Maps here. Maps Me. Maps.me. Okay. I love this dark mode. This night mode is pretty cool. And yes, you do get the map. It's pretty cool, guys. You should check it out. All right. Of course, the games. CrossyRoad does work offline, guys. As you can hear, it does work. As you can see, it's coming on. It's working. All right. So, Asphalt 8 works offline. Temple Run, Novo Legacy, Subway Surfer. Now, another hidden gem is the dictionary.com app. It does work offline, and you can check out the daily word of the days, the definitions. It does work offline. So give dictionary.com, a shot. Now, the ones that cost you money is Netflix. What is it? Netflix. You can download movies offline with Netflix if you pay, but you don't have to pay. Once again, Amazon Prime, if you got that for free. You can download movies from Amazon Prime. Let's see what else. Some of your top Google apps work without Wi-Fi, like Gmail. Let me make sure I ain't got no real stuff going on here. Okay, so all right, so here's the Gmail account. And yep, you can check it to it and you can read articles emails offline. Gmail is a great application. Your Google Drive, Google Play Music, YouTube if you have YouTube Premium. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Of course, like applications like your clock, Google Docs will work offline for your documents. Yeah, oh, I forgot. Infamous weather app. Your weather app can work offline. Now, it does say no internet connection, but it will give you the latest temperature. Right now, you can see the map shown. So, yep. All right, let me get back to it. Go there. And that's the current weather right now in my location. Yep. So AccuWeather weather app does work offline. Yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Which applications do you find seem to work the best offline when you don't need it, or when you having struggles finding service? You have no service, you have no Wi-Fi, you have no data, you freaking out, what have you. Or you're just using a call and texting plan. And, like I said, you just trying to save money, or you try not to use Wi-Fi. Those are some of the best apps I can recommend to anybody. I leave all the name of the apps I talked about in this video and the links in the description box. All right, let me know which one is the best for offline. And you can give me, yours. Drop that in the comment section. Thank you for watching. It's your boy, Two Phones. I'm out.